Hello students, welcome to lecture number 4, chapter number 5, continuity and differentiability. ચેપ્ટર 5 સાતત્ય અને વિકલનીયતામાં આપણે આગળ વધીએ. લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ આપણે 5.1 फिनिश किया था. अब 5.2 जाने से पहले थोड़ी बात कर लेते हैं डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी एंड कंटिन्यूटी बोथ. If f is differentiable at x equal to c, then f is continuous at x equal to c. If f is differentiable at x equal to c, then f is continuous at x equal to c. जो f એ x બરાબર c આગળ વિકલનીય હોય તો f x બરાબર c આગળ સતત થાય. એ જો f x બરાબર c આગળ વિકલનીય હોય તો f x બરાબર c આગળ સતત થાય. થિયરમ પ્રમેય થિયરम है प्रमेय उपप्रमेय. इस प्रमेय का उपप्रमेय कोरोलरी उपप्रमेय. If f is differentiable function, then f is continuous. Here only one point, f is differentiable at x equal to c, then f is continuous at x equal to c. Now in general, if f is continuous function, then f is differentiable function, then f is continuous. But its converse is not true. Converse is not true. ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ એ વિધેય વિકલનીય હોય તો સતત હોય જ. અહીં x બરાબર c આગળ વાત હતી, હવે વ્યાપકમાં વાત કરી કે વિધેય f વિકલનીય હોય તો સતત હોય જ. ઉપપ્રમેય તરીકે હતું. આનું પ્રતીપ સત્ય નથી. કન્વર્સ પ્રતિપ્રમેય સત્ય નથી. કન્વર્સ ઇઝ નોટ ટ્રુ. કન્વર્સ ઇઝ નોટ ટ્રુ મીન્સ પ્રતીપ સત્ય નથી. એટલે કે જો f સતત હોય તો વિકલનીય હોય અને ન પણ હોય. If f is continuous, then f may be differentiable. If f is continuous, then f may be differentiable. X for example, એટલે કે f સતત હોય તો વિકલનીય હોય અને ન પણ હોય. સપોઝ fx equal to modulus x. X belongs to R. This function fx modulus x is a continuous function, but not differentiable. Here fx modulus x is a continuous function. Here limit x tends to c plus fx equal to fx is modulus x, and x tends to c plus means c greater than 0. X to c plus means x greater than c. Here limit x tends to c plus fx, limit x tends to c plus modulus x. C plus left hand side and right hand side limit here modulus c, if c greater than 0 then c, limit x tends to c plus. Otherwise, suppose at 0, the limit at 0 plus modulus c equal to 0. Why? Modulus c equal to c. Similarly, limit x tends to 0 minus fx equal to limit x tends to 0 minus modulus c, now minus c. But here c equal to 0, therefore 0. And f0 is also 0. f0 equal to 0, modulus 0, 0. Therefore f is continuous. Why? Left hand side limit 0, right hand side limit 0, value 0. Therefore f is continuous. But not differentiable. આ f વિધેય સતત છે પરંતુ વિકલનીય નથી. Now not differentiable fx modulus x. Limit x f dash c equal to limit x tends to c fx plus c minus fx upon c minus x minus c. Suppose limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, f of c plus h minus limit h tends to 0, another form of differentiability, f limit h tends to 0, f of c plus h minus fc upon h, f dash c. f dash 0, limit h tends to 0, now c equal to 0, fc c equal to 0, fh minus f0 upon h. Now fh modulus h, limit h tends to 0, fx modulus x, therefore fh is modulus h. f0 here 0, f0 equal to 0, putting in fx equal to 0, f0 0 upon h. We know that its left hand side limit is -1 and right hand side limit +1. આપણે જાણીએ છીએ કે આનું ડાબી બાજુનું લક્ષ -1 થાય અને જમણી બાજુનું લક્ષ +1 થાય. બંને લક્ષ સમાન નથી, તેથી લિમિટ અસ્તિત્વ ધરાવતી નથી. માટે f'0 નું અસ્તિત્વ નથી, એટલે કે વિધેય f એ x બરાબર 0 આગળ વિકલનીય નથી. Here limit h tends to 0 modulus h upon h, its left hand side limit is -1 and right hand side limit +1, both are not equal, therefore limit does not exist. Therefore f'0 does not exist, means function f is not differentiable at x equal to 0. f'0 not possible, f'0 does not exist, means function f is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Therefore here fx equal to modulus x is continuous, but fx equal to modulus x is not differentiable. In short, if f is differentiable, then f is continuous. Converse is not true. એટલે કે જો f અહીંયા વિકલનીય હોય તો સતત હોય જ, પણ આનાથી ઉલટું સાચું નથી. Now exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. Differentiates the function with respect to x in exercise 1 to 8. 1 થી 8 દાખલાઓમાં વિકલન કરવાનું છે. Differentiates the function with respect to x. x ને સાપેક્ષ વિકલન કરવાનું છે 1 થી 8 દાખલાઓમાં. The first, suppose function fx equal to sin x square plus 5. Sin x square plus 5. Now we want to find f dash x. ધારો કે fx બરાબર sin x square plus 5, तो f dash x शोधो. Taking differentiate both sides with respect to x. F dash x equal to d by dx of sine of x square plus 5. Therefore, f dash x equal to derivative of sine x square plus 5. Derivative of sine x, suppose this is x. Sine x, derivative of sine x is cos x. Sine x no vikalan cos x. But here x is x square plus 5. Sine x, derivative of sine x is cos x, but here x is x square plus 5. Now derivative of x square plus 5 into derivative of x square plus 5. Composite function. Cos of x square plus 5 into derivative of x square plus 5 is derivative of x square plus derivative of 5. Derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of 5 is 0 constant function. Derivative of constant function is 0. Therefore, final answer 2x आ जाएगा into cos of x square plus 5 answer. Second, cos of sin x. Suppose y equal to cos of sin x. fx equal to, otherwise y equal to fx, then find f dash x. जो fx बराबर क्वेश्चन लो तो f dash x शोधवाना और y बराबर तो dy by dx. Taking derivative with respect to x both side, dy by dx of cos of sin x. dy by dx equal to in bracket sin x. तो suppose sin x is x. तो dy by dx of cos x. Cos x, तो cos x, dy by dx of cos x, derivative of cos x minus sin x. Minus sin x, but here x is sin x. Here x is sin x. If cos x, then minus sin x derivative. But here x is sin x. Therefore, into d by dx of sin x. Into d by dx of sin x. Equal to derivative of sin x is cos x. तो cos x आगे ले लेते हैं. Minus cos x into sin of sin x. Answer. Third, y equal to sin of ax plus b. Sin of ax plus b. Taking derivative with respect to x both side, બંને બાજુ x ને સાપેક્ષ વિકલન કરતા, right hand side d by dx of sin of ax plus b. Now, if sin here x, suppose x plus b is x, sin x, then derivative of sin x is cos x. Sin x no vikalan cos x. Therefore, cos, but here x is ax plus b. So, into derivative of ax plus b into d by dx of ax plus b equal to cos of ax plus b into d by dx of ax. D by dx of ax is a. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So a into 1 a. Plus derivative of b is 0. Constant, free from x. અચળ, અચળનું વિકલન અચળ. અચળનું વિકલન 0. Therefore a into cos of ax plus b answer. Fourth, sec of y equal to sec of tan root x. Taking derivative with respect to ax both side, d by dx of sec of tan root x. Now right hand side, left hand side dy by dx. Left hand side dy by dx equal to suppose x. So derivative of sec x, you know very well all trigonometric functions of derivatives. બધા ત્રિકોણમિતિ વિધેયના વિકલન તમને ખબર હશે. sec x નું ડેરિવેટિવ sec x tan x. Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Here tan x, sec x is tan root x रहेगा. तो sec x but x is here tan root x. Sec x into tan x but x is tan root x. Into derivative of now tan root x. Derivative of tan root x. sec x फॉर्मूला का यूज किया हमने. Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x, but here x is tan root x, therefore into derivative of tan root x. આપણે અહીંયા sec x ના સૂત્રનો ઉપયોગ કર્યો. sec x નું વિકલન sec x tan x, પણ અહીંયા x ને બદલે tan root x હતું, તો tan root x નું વિકલન ગુણાકારમાં. Therefore sec of tan root x into tan of tan root x into now d by dx of tan root x. So now using formula d by dx of tan x. d by dx of tan x is sec square x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. So d by dx of tan x, derivative of tan x, but here root x. Formula original tan x, d by dx of tan x, derivative of tan x is sec square x. And tan root x નું વિકલન, તો સૂત્ર tan x નું વિકલનના સૂત્રનો ઉપયોગ કરીશું. tan x નું સૂત્ર છે એટલે કે tan x નું વિકલન છે sec square x, પણ x ને બદલે root x છે. તો d by dx of tan root x is sec square root x into d by dx of root x. Why? Here formula यूज की हमने tan root x. फॉर्मूला यूज की tan x की. tan x का डेरिवेटिव sec square root x, sec square x, but x is here root x. So now into the derivative of root x, d by dx of root x. અહીંયા આપણે tan root x નું વિકલન માં sec tan x નું sec square x, પણ x ને બદલે root x છે, તો ગુણાકારમાં root x નું વિકલન equal to sec of tan root x into tan of tan root x into sec square root x. Now derivative of root x. Root x means x raised to 1 half. d by dx of root x means x raised to 1 half. Now using a formula x raised to n. Derivative of x raised to n. x raised to n નું વિકલન nx raised to n minus 1. તો nx n equal to 1 half into x raised to 1 half minus 1. 1 half minus 1 minus 1 half. તો d by dx of root x નું વિકલન 1 upon 2 root x. 1 upon 2, x raised to minus 1 half means upon root x. Therefore, into 1 upon 2 root x. So, d by dx of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. વર્ગમૂળ x નું વિકલન 1 upon 2 root x. 1 upon 2 root x. I get an answer. Now example number 5. Example number 5. Y equal to sine of ax plus b upon cos of cx plus d. Taking derivative with respect to x both side. બંને બાજુ x ને સાપેક્ષ વિકલન કરતા લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ dy by dx, રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ by using quotient rule. x ટર્મ ન્યુમરેટર ડિનોમિનેટર બોથ સાઈડ. આ x વાળા પદ અંશ અને છેદમાં બંને જગ્યાએ છે, માટે વિકલનના ભાગાકારના નિયમનો ઉપયોગ કરતા. તો વિકલનના ભાગાકારનો નિયમ છેદ અચળ ગુણ્યા અંશનું વિકલન માઈનસ અંશ અચળ ગુણ્યા છેદનું વિકલન છેદમાં છેદનો વર્ગ. નાઉ using quotient rule. Denominator as it is, derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is derivative of denominator upon denominator square. Denominator છેદ અચળ એટલે કે as it is into derivative of numerator. Numerator means ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ ન્યુમરેટર ફોર અંશનું અને ડિનોમિનેટર એટલે છેદ. તો એ છેદ અચળ ગુણ્યા અંશનું વિકલન માઇનસ નાવ numerator as it is into derivative of denominator છેદનું વિકલન upon denominator square છેદનો વર્ગ cos square cx plus d equal to cos of cx plus d derivative of sin of ax plus b sin x plus b નું વિકલન sin x નું cos x so cos of ax plus b sin x cos x but here x is ax plus b therefore derivative of ax plus b into derivative of ax plus b means derivative of ax is a b 0 ax plus b નું વિકલન ax નું a અને b નું 0 તે આગળ લઈ લીધા એ આગળ આવી ગયો માઈનસ now sin ax plus b now derivative of cos of cx plus d હવે cos cx plus d નું વિકલન cos x then minus sin x but here x is cx plus d cos x નું વિકલન minus sin x પણ x ના બદલે cx plus d છે તો minus minus plus sin cx plus d into derivative of cx plus d into derivative of cx plus d derivative of cx plus d derivative of cx is c and derivative of d is 0 constant free from x cx plus d નું વિકલન c આગળ લઈ લીધા upon cos square cx plus d finished. Now more simplification. Number 6 y equal to cos x cube into sin square x raised to 5. A sin square x and sin x square both are not equal. Here sin square x means sin x whole square. Sin square x means sin x whole square. Here sin x square means sin theta, the theta here x square. If sin theta, then theta is x square. Here sin square theta form. Taking derivative with respect to x both side, બંને બાજુ x વિશે વિકલન કરતા first second by using product rule ગુણાકારનો નિયમ વિકલનનો પહેલું અને બીજું first and second first as it is જે છે તેમનું તેમાં જ ગુણ્યા બીજાનું વિકલન into divide dx of sin square x raised to 5 plus now second as it is બીજું એમનું એમ જ ગુણ્યા પહેલાનું વિકલન second as it is into derivative of first divide dx of cos x cube પ્રોડક્ટ રૂલ એપ્લાય ગયા ડેરિવેટિવ કા વિકલનના ગુણાકારનો નિયમનો ઉપયોગ કરેલો છે પહેલું અચળ બીજાનું વિકલન પ્લસ બીજું અચળ પહેલાનું વિકલન now next step cos x cube derivative of sin square x raised to 5 derivative of sin square d by dx of sin square x suppose means d by dx of sin x whole square sin square x now applying x raised to n rule હવે આપણે x raised to n ના વિકલનનો ઉપયોગ કરીએ x raised to n નું વિકલન x d by dx of x raised to n equal to nx raised to n minus 1. Here n equal to 2, but x is sin x. The derivative of sin x whole square is 2, n equal to 2, x, but x is sin x raised to 1 into d by dx of sin x. Here x is, but here x is sin x, so into d by dx of sin x is cos x. Therefore derivative 2 sin x cos x. Derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x cos x. So here derivative of sin square x raised to pi. So x raised to n d by dx of x raised to n વિકલનનો નિયમ ઉપયોગ કરું છું. x ને બદલે sin square x raised to pi, तो x ने बदले sin x raised to pi, n equal to 2. तो 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन में जब sin square x तो 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन में x raised to n 10 मल्टीप्लिकेशन में x raised to n गुणाकार में આવી જાય 2 sin x raised to pi, 2 sin x raised to pi. अभी डेरिवेटिव फिनिश नहीं हुआ. Derivative of now, here derivative of sin x is cos x. Similarly here derivative of sin x raised to 5. Derivative of sin x raised to 5. Here derivative of sin x is cos x, but here sin x is sin x raised to 5. અહીંયા sin x ને બદલે sin x ની 5 ઘાત છે, તો d by dx of sin x raised to 5. आगे प्लस sin square x raised to 5 into d by dx of cos x cube. Cos x cube, if cos x, then d by dx of cos x is minus sin x, but here x is x cube. d by dx of cos x, if d by dx of cos x, the derivative of cos x is minus sin x, but here cos x cube, therefore minus sin x cube, but derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Here x is x cube, therefore derivative of x cube is now d by dx of x cube. d by dx of x cube upon into, sorry, so 2 cos x cube sin x raised to 5 into d by dx of sin x raised to 5. d by dx of sin x, if d by dx of sin x, जो sin x होता तो cos x, तो cos x raised to 5, cos x raised to 5. d by dx of sin x cos x, but here x is x raised to 5. અહીંયા sin x raised to 5 નું વિકલન cos x raised to 5 into d by dx of x raised to 5, into d by dx of x raised to 5. आगे प्लस साइन स्क्वायर x रेस्ट टू 5 माइनस, आगे साइन ले लेते हैं, आगे माइनस साइन x क्यूब into d by dx of x cube, x raised to n rule applying, x cube is 3x square, 3x square. Next step, dy by dx equal to 2 cos x raised to 5 into sin x raised to 5 into cos x raised to 5, means here cos square, cos x raised to 5, cos x raised to 5 here cos x cube, here cos x cube, so no square, into cos x raised to 5 into d by dx of x raised to 5. Now d by dx of x raised to 5 is 5x raised to 4, x raised to n rule applying, and x raised to n ના નિયમ પ્રમાણે વિકલન x raised to n નું વિકલન n x raised to n minus 1, તો 5x raised to 5, 5x raised to 4 minus sin square x raised to 5 into sin x cube into 3x square, into 3x square, आगे ले लेना 2 sin theta cos theta formula sin 2 theta. Trigonometric formula, multiple sub multiple, 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta. Here 2 sin theta cos theta, theta is x to y, तो थोड़ा शॉर्ट होगा, cos x cube. Now 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta, multiple sub multiple formula, गुणित उपगुणित ना सूत्रों, sin थीटा थीटा तो 2 थीटा डबल, तो 2x raised to 5 into 5x raised to 4 minus 3x square फर्स्ट में minus 3x square sin square x raised to 5 into sin x cube finished. फाइव एक्स रेस फोर भी आगे ले सकते हो, जैसे 3x स्क्वायर आगे आ गया, ऐसे 5x रेस टू 4 आगे ले लेना सिंप्लीफिकेशन में. सेवन, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 7. y equal to 2 under root cot x square taking derivative with respect to x both side, left hand side dy by dx, બંને બાજુ x વિશે વિકલન લેતા 2 d by dx of cot x square raised to 1 half. Under root cot x square means cot x square raised to 1 half. 2. Now derivative of cot x square raised to 1 half. X raised to n formula. d by dx of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. Here n equal to 1 half. 1 half multiplication में. Now cot x square raised to 1 half minus 1 half lx raised to n minus 1 into d by dx of x into d by dx of x, but d by dx of x is 1, d by dx of x is 1, dx upon dx 1, but here x is cot x square, therefore into d by dx of cot x square, d by dx of cot x square. Suppose d by dx of sin x, then derivative of sin x is cos x, but into d by dx of x, but d by dx of x is 1, therefore 1 multiplication में न्यूट्रल हो जाता है, इसलिए हम नहीं लिखते. बट हियर ऑल फॉर्मूला में x is cot x, sin x, etc. सपोज d by dx ऑफ, अभी हमने sin square x का एग्जांपल लिया था, अगेन x raised to n, but x is sin x here. x raised to n अप्लाई करेंगे तो 2 sin x raised to 1 into d by dx of sin x. If x raised to n, then 1, derivative of x is 1. But now x is sin x, n equal to 2, but x equal to sin x. X equal to sin x, so d by dx of sin x. तो x raised to n रूल अप्लाई किया, यहाँ x raised to n नियम प्रमाणे 1 half घात गुणाकार में cot x square raised to 1 half minus 1 half into d by dx of cot x square. x raised to n ના સૂત્રમાં x ને બદલે cot x square હતું, તેનું વિકલન ગુણાકારમાં લેવું પડે. here x raised to n ફોર્મ્યુલા અપ્લાય की, x raised to n का नियम रूल्स nx raised to n minus 1 1 half cot x square raised to minus 1 half, but x raised to n में here x is cot x square, therefore into derivative of cot x square, 2 upon 2 1 cot x square raised to minus 1 half into now derivative of cot x square, d by dx of cot x minus derivative of cot x minus cos x square x into d by dx of x, बट डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स इज 1, इसलिए हम नहीं लिखते हैं साथ में. बट हियर नाउ एक्स इज एक्स स्क्वायर. डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ cot x, but x is x square. डी बाई डी एक्स of cot x is minus cosec square x, but x is here x square. So डी बाई डी एक्स of cot x is minus cosec square x is x square. Now x is x square. The derivative of x is 1. Here x is x square. Therefore d by dx of x square equal to minus आगे cot x square raised to minus 1/2 into cosec square x square into d by dx of x square is 2x. d by dx of x square x raised to n, x raised to n minus 1 रूल अप्लाई किया 2x. तो फाइनल आंसर dy by dx इक्वल टू 2x आगे आ गया इंटू cosec square x square cosec square x square upon raised to minus 1 upon आगे साइन माइनस upon underwood cot x square underwood cot x square underwood cot x square. Final answer. Example number 8. Y equal to cos root x. Y equal to cos root x. So here if y equal to cos x, then dy by dx minus sin x, derivative cosec minus sin x into dy by dx of x, this x. But 1, dy by dx of x, dx upon dx 1, derivative of x is with respect to x is 1, derivative of x with respect to x is 1, and x to x ने सापेक्ष विकलन 1 થઈ જાય એટલે આપણે 1 ગુણાકારમાં નથી લખતા. here multiplication 1 ન્યુટ્રલ हो जाता है इसलिए हम नहीं लिखते. here cos root x, so taking derivative with respect to x both side, બંને બાજુ x से विकलन करता minus sin root x cos x minus sin x. But now here x is root x, the into d by dx of root x. Now derivative root x minus sin root x into d by dx of root x x raised to 1/2 x raised to 1/2 हो तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x raised to 1/2 अभी आगे भी लिया था 1/2 x raised to n रूल अप्लाई करेंगे x raised to n डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x raised to n is x raised to n minus 1 तो 1/2 x raised to 1/2 minus 1 means minus 1/2 means 1 upon 2 root x 1 upon 2 root x. Answer 9. No. Example number. Prove that the function f given by fx equal to modulus x minus 1, where x belongs to r, is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Is not differentiable at x equal to 1. साबित करो के विधेय fx આપેલ છે એક માનાંકમાં x minus 1 x belongs to r એ x બરાબર 1 આગળ વિકલનીય નથી. Prove that the function f given by fx equal to modulus x minus 1 is x belongs to r is not differentiable at x equal to 1. એટલે કે સાબિત કરો કે આપેલું વિધેય fx બરાબર માનાંક x minus 1 x belongs to r એ x બરાબર 1 આગળ વિકલનીય નથી. f dash c limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h minus fc upon h formula. f dash c limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h minus fc upon h, derivative of f with at x equal to c, derivative of f at x equal to c. Here 1 f dash 1 equal to limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h 1 plus h minus f1 upon h, f of c plus h, c equal to 1 here, c equal to 1 here. If this limit exists, then f is differentiable at x equal to 1. If this limit does not exist, then f is not differentiable at x equal to 1. જો આ લક્ષનું અસ્તિત્વ હોય તો વિધેય f x બરાબર 1 આગળ વિકલનીય થાય, અને જો આ લક્ષનું અસ્તિત્વ ના હોય તો આ વિધેય x બરાબર 1 આગળ વિકલનીય નથી. એક સ્ટેપ આગે, f dash 1 equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x given here modulus x minus 1, here f of 1 plus h, putting in f x equal to 1 plus h, here f x given, so putting in f x equal to 1 plus h, here 1 plus h, x equal to 1 plus h, 1 plus h minus 1 means 1 plus h minus 1 modulus x is 1 plus h minus 1, 1 1 cancel, modulus h f1, putting in f x equal to 1, now f1, so putting in f x equal to 1, f1 એટલે કે f x માં x બરાબર 1 મૂકો એટલે 1 minus 1 0, 0 નો માનાંક 0 upon h. In short, limit h tends to 0 modulus h upon h. इन्हें हम अभ्यास कर दिए हैं कि इसका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड का लिमिट बोथ आर नॉट इक्वल, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड -1, राइट हैंड साइड +1, तो देखते हैं. नाउ f dash 1 plus means right hand side derivative, right hand side limit f dash 1 plus limit h tends to 0 plus modulus h upon h. H tends to 0 plus means h greater than 0, and h greater than 0 then modulus h equal to h. H tends to 0 plus then modulus h equal to h. Why? h greater than 0. અહીંયા h tends to 0 plus એટલે h greater than 0 કહેવાય, અને h greater than 0 હોય ત્યારે modulus h equal to h થઈ જાય, તો h upon h 1 constant, limit of constant function is constant. અચળ પ્લસ અચળ સંખ્યા પોતે જ. તો રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ લિમિટ +1, નાઉ લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ f dash 1, લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ f dash 1 માઈનસ limit h tends to 0 minus modulus h upon h, limit h tends to 0 minus h upon h. Why? Now h tends to 0 minus, હવે ડાબી બાજુનું હોય તો modulus h tends to 0 minus, then h less than 0, and h less than 0, then modulus h equal to minus h. Now h tends to 0 minus, therefore h less than 0, and h less than 0, then modulus h equal to minus h. અહીંયા h હવે ડાબી બાજુનું h tends to 0 minus, તો h less than 0 હોય અને h less than 0 હોય ત્યારે માનાંક h equal to minus h થાય, તો minus h upon h minus 1 constant. Therefore here left hand side and right hand side, first number left hand side and right hand side limit does not exist. Here f dash 1 does not exist, limit does not exist, therefore f dash 1 does not exist, means f is, અહીંયા f dash 1 નું અસ્તિત્વ નથી, એટલે કે f is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Here f is not differentiable at x equal to 1, એટલે કે અહીંયા f x બરાબર 1 આગળ વિકલનીય નથી. Example number 10. Prove that the greatest integer function defined by fx equal to box x. So, greatest integer function where 0 less than x less than 3. साबित करो कि महत्तम पूर्णांक भाग विधेय आप व्याख्यायित करेल છે fx बराबर box x 0 less than is not differentiable at x equal to 1 and 2 is not differentiable at x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Again same question, आगे मॉड्यूलस का क्वेश्चन था, अब ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन का क्वेश्चन है. मॉड्यूलस फंक्शन नाउ ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन पूर्णांक भाग विधेय f dash c again limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h minus fc upon h. If this limit exists then f is differentiable at x equal to c. જો આ લક્ષનું અસ્તિત્વ હોય તો વિધેય f x બરાબર c આગળ વિકલનીય કહેવાય. First x equal to 1 means c equal to 1. Here f x equal to c. This limit exists then f is differentiable at x equal to c. First c equal to 1, x equal to 1 means c equal to 1. F dash 1 equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h minus f1 upon h. C equal to 1. F dash c equal to 1. Limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h fx box x. Therefore f of 1 plus h f of 1 plus h 1 plus h minus 1 f of 1 plus h 1 box 1 plus h box 1 plus h fx box x. Now x is 1 plus h minus f1 f1 equal to box 1 इंटीजर पूर्णांक है महत्तम पूर्णांक. here 1 is integer, therefore box 1 equal to 1 upon h. Now number 1. Now left hand side and right hand side. F dash 1 minus left hand side limit h tends to 0 minus h tends to 0 minus, therefore h less than 0. h less than 0. Adding both side plus 1. Adding both side plus 1. બંને બાજુ 1 ઉમેરતા. Less than 0. h plus 1 lies between two integers 0 and 1. Therefore small integer. Therefore box h plus 1 equal to 0. Here box h plus 1 equal to 0. Again repeat. Here h tends to 0 minus, therefore h less than 0. Left hand side limit, then h less than 0. h less than 0, adding both side 1, the h plus 1 less than 1. Here less than 1, so here small integer 0. The h plus 1 lies between 0 and 1. અહીંયા h plus 1 એ 0 ને 1 ની વચ્ચે છે તો નાનો પૂર્ણાંક, તો box x plus 1 box h plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore here box h plus 1 equal to 0 minus 1 upon h. 1 plus h box h 1 plus h equal to 0. Therefore minus 1 upon h. Limit h tends to 0 minus, limit h tends to 0 minus, minus 1 upon h does not exist. Does not exist. This limit does not exist. Simple. Limit x tends to 0, 1 upon x does not exist. Limit x 0, 1 upon x does not exist. Similarly, limit x tends to 0, minus 1 upon x does not exist. इसकी लिमिट इनफाइनाइट हो जाती है. जब अगर प्लस होता तो प्लस इनफाइनाइट होती है, अगर यह माइनस होता तो माइनस इनफाइनाइट हो जाती. અહીંયા જો લિમિટ x 0 1 upon x ધન હોય તો પ્લસ ઇન્ફિનિટી થઈ જાય, અને જો -1/x હોય તો માઇનસ અનંત થઈ જાય. એટલે કે પ્લસ ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ માઇનસ નોટ a real number, not a fixed number. Therefore, limit does not exist. Therefore, left hand side limit does not exist. तो now right hand side limit फाइंड करने की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है, कारण कि राइट हैंड साइड एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बोथ लिमिट इक्वल, देन फर्स्ट नंबर लिमिट एग्जिस्ट. बट हियर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लिमिट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट, तो राइट साइड लिमिट फाइंड करके क्या करेंगे? Therefore, limit does not exist, number 1. Therefore, f-1 does not exist. Means f is not differentiable at x equal to 1. અહીંયા f એ x બરાબર 1 આગળ વિકલનીય નથી, કારણ કે આનું લક્ષ અસ્તિત્વ ધરાવતું નથી. આ નિયમ છે રૂલ્સ લિમિટ x ટેન્ડ્સ ટુ 0 1/x equal to plus infinity if right hand side, and left hand side limit 1/x minus infinity. Both are not equal to, therefore limit x to 0, left hand side limit minus infinity, right hand side limit plus infinity. Therefore limit both are not equal, left and right hand side, therefore limit does not exist. અહીંયા ડાબી બાજુનું લક્ષ માઇનસ અનંત થાય 1/x નું, અને જમણી બાજુનું 1/x પ્લસ અનંત થાય. આ બંને સમાન નથી, માટે વિધેયનું લક્ષ અસ્તિત્વ ધરાવતું નથી. તો લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઇડ લિમિટ does not exist here. राइट हैंड साइड लिमिट तो 0 आएगा, बट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लिमिट does not exist. Similarly, now 2. Now second number. Similarly, now x equal to 2 means c equal to 2. 2. Here 2. Here 2. Here now 2 plus h. f2 equal to 2 now. Now 2. 2. Now 2 plus h. H tends to 0 minus, then h less than 0. Left hand side. H less than 0. Adding now plus 2 both sides. 2 plus h less than 2. Now here 2. So here serial number 1. 2 plus h lies between 1 and 2. 2 plus h અહીંયા બે ક્રમિક પૂર્ણાંક 1 અને 2 ની વચ્ચે છે, તો બોક્સ 2 plus h બરાબર નાનો પૂર્ણાંક કયો છે? 1. 2 plus h lies between 1 and 2, તો smaller integer 1, therefore box of 2 plus h equal to 1. Now here 1, here 1, and here f2 2. Again minus 1 upon h. Again 1 minus 2 minus 1 upon h. Left hand side limit h tends to 0 minus 1 upon h does not exist, means this limit does not exist, means f dash 2 does not possible, means f dash not possible, means f is not differentiable at x equal to 2 now. Now f is not differentiable at x equal to 2. f dash 2 not possible. અહીં f dash 2 નું અસ્તિત્વ નથી, એનો મતલબ કે વિધેય f x બરાબર 2 આગળ વિકલનીય નથી. एक्सरसाइज 5.2 फिनिश हो गई. इजी है. Now derivative of implicit function. Derivative of implicit function. Implicit function like as y equal to sin x plus y. Now x and y both mix. X square plus y square equal to 1. 2x square plus sin y equal to 2. This type of function is implicit function. Gujarati medium ગુડ વિધેયનું વિકલન, ગુડ વિધેયનું વિકલન. હવે રકમોમાં x અને y મિક્સ હશે, આવા બંને બાજુ કદાચ y હશે xy, તો ફાઇન્ડ ડેરિવેટિવ, તો x વિશે વિકલન કરો. સપોઝ this example, find dy by dx, find dy by dx, dy by dx શોધવાનો છે. find dy by dx. The derivative with respect to x both side. Here x square plus y square equal to 1. Taking derivative with respect to x both side, dy by dx of x square plus dy by dx of y square equal to dy by dx of 1. Taking derivative with respect to x both side means dy by dx of x square, dy by dx of y square, dy by dx of 1. dy by dx of x square is 2x. Here dy by dx of y square not possible. Here dy by dx of x derivative with respect to x, x ને સાપેક્ષ વિકલન x સ્ક્વેર નો 2x, પણ અહીંયા તો હવે y સ્ક્વેર નું વિકલન x વિશે. dy by dx of y square, derivative of y square with respect to x. Here derivative of x square with respect to x 2x, but here derivative of y square with respect to x तो चेंज करना पड़ेगा. dy of y square into dy by dx. dy cancel, dy dx. Now applying this rule again, dy dx of x is 2x. Similarly dy of y square is 2y into dy by dx. So here dy dx of y square is plus 2y into dy by dx. Y term y square, derivative of y terms, any y terms, here y square, any y term derivative with respect to x, then use x for derivative of x square is 2x, same derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx कर देना. Suppose dy by dx of sin y, dy by dx of sin x then cos x, but here dy by dx of sin y, અહીંયા sin y નું વિકલન x વિશે, તો cos y sin x cos x, here sin y cos y, but into dy by dx, into dy by dx. Suppose dy dx of y square आ गया. Suppose dy dx of cos y, तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos y with respect to x, तो minus sin y with respect to x, therefore into dy by dx, into dy by dx. dy dx of sin y cos y, dy dx of sin x is cos x, तो dy dx of sin y is cos y into dy by dx. इतना मल्टीप्लिकेशन में y टर्म के साथ dy by dx मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर देना. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y टर्म इज सेम टू सेम x टर्म, जैसे x sin x का डेरिवेटिव होता है सेम टू सेम डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin y, but into dy by dx. So here derivative of y square with respect to x, therefore 2y into dy by dx. Right hand side derivative of x with respect to 1 is 0. Now our question, find dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to minus x upon y. To cancel 0 right hand side, minus x upon y, so dy by dx minus x upon y. The derivative of x square plus y square equal to 1. Question, find dy by dx, so dy by dx. Suppose another example, y equal to cos of x plus y. Find dy by dx. Another question, find dy by dx means derivative with respect to x. The left hand side derivative of the dy by dx with respect to x. Here cos x plus y minus sin x plus y. Cos x minus sin x plus y. But now x is here x plus y. Cos x minus sin x. But here x is x plus y. So dy by dx of x plus y. અહીંયા y equal to cos x plus y નું dy by dx શોધો પ્રશ્ન છે તો cos x હોય તો માઈનસ sin x પણ x ને બદલે x plus y છે તો ભેગું ગુણાકારમાં વિકલન x ને બદલે x plus y નું તો માઈનસ sin x plus y. Now dy by dx of x plus y, dy by dx of x is 1 plus dy by dx of y is dy by dx. Derivative of x with respect to x dx upon dx 1. But now derivative of y with respect to x means dy by dx. Our question dy by dx find. આપણો પ્રશ્ન dy by dx શોધો છે તો dy by dx left hand side minus sin x plus y into dy by dx. Left hand side dy by dx common minus the plus sin x plus y. Minus sin x plus y into dy by dx left hand side dy by dx common. Now right hand side remaining minus sin x plus y. Minus sin x plus y. Now dy by dx equal to minus sin x plus y upon 1 plus sin x plus y. Multiplication dy by dx तो अपन में here sin dy by dx into 1 plus sin x plus y then minus sin x plus y upon 1 plus sin x plus y dy by dx. This type of example. Now x and y mix means good with a implicit function. 5.2 exercise finished. Now exercise 5.3. Derivative of implicit functions. Derivative of implicit functions. Exercise 5.3. Now exercise 5.3. कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं, इतना याद रखना पड़ेगा कि dy by dx of cos y. तो here y term derivative with respect to x એ cos y y વાળું પદ છે અને વિકલન x વિશે કરવાનું છે તો x વાળાની જેમ જ cos y નું minus sin y into dy by dx into dy by dx બસ. Here derivative cos y with respect to x तो minus sin y if cos x then minus sin x. Here cos y minus sin y into dy by dx. d by dy of cos y then minus sin y. If dy cos y derivative cos y with respect to y then minus sin y, no problem. But here derivative cos y with respect to x, therefore into dy by dx. इतना याद रखना पड़ेगा. y टर्म का डेरिवेटिव x टर्म जैसा ही होगा into dy by dx करना पड़ेगा. नीचेना dy by dx. So find dy by dx in the following. Find dy by dx in the following. First 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y equal to sin x. Find dy by dx examples. For all exercise example, find dy by dx. Taking derivative with respect to x both side. Find dy by dx means derivative of y with respect to x. Taking derivative with respect to x both side. Left hand side dy by dx of 2x plus 3y. Right hand side dy by dx of sin x. Now derivative of 2x is 2. Derivative of 2x is 2. Derivative of x with respect to x 1. X में x is equal to 1. Here 3. Derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. X में x is equal to 1. और y में x is equal to dy by dx. 3 into dy by dx equal to cos x. Equal to cos x. Therefore, dy by dx equal to cos x minus 2 upon 3. Answer. Second, 2x plus 3y equal to sin y. Equal to sin y. Derivative with respect to x both side. બંને બાજુ x વિશે વિકલન કરતા. Now left hand side. હવે ડાબી બાજુ derivative of x 2x with respect to x is 2. 2x નું વિકલન 2 plus 3y નું વિકલન 3 into dy by dx. 3y derivative of 3y is 3 into dy by dx. Right hand side derivative of sin y cos y but with respect to x, therefore into dy by dx. Now dy by dx two terms, left and right hand side. So collect left hand side dy by dx term and common dy by dx. અહીંયા હવે dy by dx બે બાજુ છે તો ડાબી બાજુ dy by dx વાળા પદ ભેગા કરીએ અને dy by dx કોમન કાઢીએ. તો 3 minus cos y into dy by dx. 3 dy by dx. Left hand side plus minus cos y dy by dx. Now right hand side without dy by dx term. જમણી બાજુએ dy by dx વગર નાખો. Therefore dy by dx equal to minus 2 upon 3 minus cos y. Answer. अगर ऐसे भी लग सकते हैं माइनस साइन डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस साइन छेद में जवा दो cos y minus 3. थर्ड, ax plus by square equal to cos y. Find dy by dx. Taking derivative with respect to x both side. Left hand side ax plus dy by dx of x plus by square. dy by dx of cos y. Now derivative. Derivative of x is a with respect to x. x નું x વિશે વિકલન 1. by square નું વિકલન derivative of by square b into y square 2y. If x square 2x but y square and here derivative with respect to x. Derivative of y square with respect to x, therefore into dy by dx. Right hand side derivative of cos y is minus sin y but derivative with respect to x. Here y with respect to x, therefore into dy by dx. Now left hand side dy by dx कलेक्ट करेंगे और कॉमन लेंगे. 2by plus sin y into dy by dx. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड dy by dx टर्म कलेक्ट कर दी और कॉमन ले લીધા. ડાબી બાજુએ dy by dx વાળા પદ ભેગા કરી દીધા અને સામાન્ય લઈ લીધા. જમણી બાજુએ રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ વિધાઉટ dy by dx ટર્મ માઈનસ a. Therefore dy upon dx equal to minus a upon 2by plus sin y. Answer. इजी है थोड़ा, पर याद रखना पड़ेगा कि डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स एंड टर्म इन टर्म्स ऑफ y होगी. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ इन टर्म्स ऑफ y एंड डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x टर्म y के रूप में होगी और डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x होगा तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन dy by dx करना पड़ेगा. અહીંયા y વાળા પદનું x વિશે વિકલન કરવાનું તો y વાળા પદનું x વાળાની જેમ જ વિકલન કરવાનું પણ ભેગું ગુણાકારમાં dy by dx લગાડી દેવાનું. 3 × 2 = 4 y / 2 y / 2 = 4y 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 / 2 y / 2 = Fourth, xy plus y square, xy plus y square equal to 10x plus y into 10x plus y. Taking derivative with respect to x both side, બંને બાજુ x વિશે વિકલન કરતા, બંને બાજુ x વિશે વિકલન. Taking d by dx of both side. Now d by dx of xy plus d by dx of y square, right hand side d by dx of 10x plus d by dx of y means dy by dx. d by dx of y means dy by dx. Now xy, y is also function of x, any function y in terms of x होगा, but here clarification नहीं किया है. y is also function of x, any function of x, therefore x into y, applying product rule. અહીંયા હવે y પણ કોઈ x નું વિધેય છે પણ આપેલું નથી, તો ગુણાકારનો નિયમ લગાડવો પડે, x into y. તો ગુણાકારનો નિયમ, product rule applying now, first x second y, પહેલું x બીજું y, first as it is, derivative second term y dy by dx, derivative y with respect to x dy by dx, y નું x વિશે વિકલન dy by dx, plus હવે y અચળ second as it is and derivative of first x 1 d by dx of xy માં આપણે ગુણાકારના નિયમનો ઉપયોગ કરેલો છે. આ પહેલું x અને બીજું y, તો પહેલું અચળ, બીજાનું વિકલન y નું x વિશે વિકલન dy by dx થાય, પ્લસ હવે બીજું અચળ, પહેલાનું વિકલન x નું x વિશે વિકલન 1 થઈ જાય એટલે y. Here applying product rule, first x second y, first x as it is into derivative of second y derivative of y dy by dx, plus now second as it is, derivative of first which x, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Similarly here y square 2y into dy by dx, y square derivative of y square x raised to n, y square 2y, but y term derivative with respect to x, here y term, therefore into dy by dx. અહીંયા y square નું derivative 2y, y વાળું પદ છે અને x વિશે વિકલન કરવાનું છે, માટે ગુણાકારમાં dy by dx. Similarly dy by dx of 10x નું x વિશે વિકલન sec square x, derivative of 10x with respect to x is sec square x plus dy by dx. Derivative finished. Now simplification, left hand side collect all terms of dy by dx and dy by dx common. Here x, here plus 2y, here minus 1 into dy by dx. Right hand side without dy by dx terms, જમણી બાજુએ dy by dx વગરના પદ, sec square x plus y minus y. Therefore dy by dx तो कॉमन हमने ये साइड ले लिया है, तो dy by dx into x plus 2y minus 1 into dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx equal to sec square x minus y upon x plus 2y minus 1. Answer. Example number 5. X square plus xy plus y square equal to 100. Find dy by dx. Taking derivative with respect to x both sides, d by dx of x square plus d by dx of xy plus d by dx of y square equal to d by dx of 100. Now d by dx of x square is 2x. d by dx of x square 2x. x square નું વિકલન x વિશે 2x. Applying product rule, એ ગુણાકારનો નિયમ વિકલનનો. आगे एक एग्जांपल में भी x y का डेरिवेटिव था, ફર્સ્ટ એન્ડ સેકન્ડ, પહેલું અને બીજું, પહેલું x અને બીજું y, ડેરિવેટિવ વિથ રિસ્પેક્ટ ટુ x. તો ફર્સ્ટ પહેલું અચળ એજ ઇટ ઇઝ, ફર્સ્ટ એજ ઇટ ઇઝ ઇન્ટુ ડેરિવેટિવ ઓફ સેકન્ડ x ફર્સ્ટ સેકન્ડ y, તો ડેરિવેટિવ ઓફ y વિથ રિસ્પેક્ટ ટુ x ઇઝ dy by dx, y નું x વિશે વિકલન dy by dx થાય, પ્લસ નાઉ y એજ ઇટ ઇઝ, સેકન્ડ ટર્મ એજ ઇટ ઇઝ, બીજું પદ એમનું એમ જ ગુણ્યા પહેલાનું વિકલન x નું x વિશે વિકલન 1 પ્લસ dy by dx of y square 2y into dy by dx. Here x square with respect to dx, derivative of x square, so 2x. But here derivative of y square with respect to x square, therefore 2y into dy by dx. Right hand side 0. Now collect left hand side, dy by dx common, right hand side without dy by dx term, and dy by dx equal to. અહીંયા હવે ડાબી બાજુ dy by dx વાળા પદ ભેગા કરવાના, કોમન કાઢવાનું, જમણી બાજુ dy by dx વગરના પદ અને dy by dx બરાબર બાકીનું બધું જમણી બાજુ લઈ જાઓ. આન્સર 6. x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube equal to 81. Taking derivative with respect to x both sides y, our question is find dy by dx. Derivative of y with respect to x find करने का है. અહીંયા આપણે dy by dx શોધવાનો છે, એટલે કે x વિશે વિકલન કરવાનું છે, તો બંને બાજુ x વિશે વિકલન કરતા taking both side derivative with respect to x. First term dy by dx of x cube plus second term dy by dx of x square into y plus third term dy by dx of xy square plus dy by dx of y cube equal to right hand side dy by dx of 81. Here derivative of x cube is 3x square, x raised to n and x raised to n minus 1, 3x square, 3x square, derivative of x cube is 3x square. Here applying product rule, first x square and second y. Now applying the product rule, અહીંયા હવે ગુણાકારના નિયમનો ઉપયોગ કરીશું. પહેલો x square અને બીજો y. તો first પહેલો as it is, first term as it is, derivative of second term is y, the derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Plus now second term as it is, y એમનો એમ જ into dy by dx of x square into dy by dx of x square is 2x. Here again applying product rule, first x and second y square. Again ફરી પાછો આપણે ગુણાકારના નિયમનો જ ઉપયોગ કરીશું. પહેલો x અને બીજો y square. તો પહેલો અચળ first as it is dy by dx of second 2y into dy by dx. Derivative of y square with respect to x, y square નું x વિશે વિકલન 2y into dy by dx. Plus now second term as it is, બીજું પદ અચળ એમનું એમ જ, અને પહેલાનું વિકલન, પહેલું x, first x, the derivative first is x, derivative of x is 1. Now plus derivative of y cube 3y square with respect to x, so therefore into dy by dx. So right hand side 0. 81 constant 0. Now dy by dx term हम कलेक्ट करेंगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड विदाउट dy by dx term, and dy by dx equal to left hand side dy by dx right hand side all terms. તો અહીંયા ડાબી બાજુએ dy by dx વાળા પદ ભેગા કરીશું, dy by dx કોમન કાઢીશું, જમણી બાજુ dy by dx વગરના પદ, અને ડાબી બાજુ dy by dx એકલો, બાકીનું બધું જમણી બાજુ સાદુરૂપ આપી દેવાનું. એ આન્સર. Example number 7, sin square y plus cos xy equal to pi. find dy by dx. So taking derivative with respect to x both side, બંને બાજુ x વિશે વિકલન લેતા પહેલું ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મ dy by dx of sin square y plus dy by dx of cos xy equal to dy by dx of pi. Here sin square y means sin y whole square. तो applying x raised to n formula to multiplication में x raised to n dy by dx of x raised to n nx raised to n minus 1, तो 2 sin y raised to 1. Now x raised to n formula यूज की हमने, the derivative of x raised to n, but here x is sin y, therefore dy by dx of sin y. dy by dx of x raised to n is nx raised to n minus 1 into dy by dx of x into dy by dx of x, but dy by dx of x is 1 हो जाता है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हम 1 नहीं लिखते हैं, बट हियर नाउ sin y, तो dy by dx of x, but x is sin y, therefore dy by dx of sin y. तो simplification 2 sin y, derivative of sin y is cos y. Derivative of sin y is cos y. But derivative of sin y with respect to x, therefore into dy by dx. Into dy by dx. The derivative of sin square y ये रहेगा 2 sin y cos y into dy by dx plus now second term. Derivative of cos xy. Derivative of cos xy minus sin xy. If cos x, then minus sin x. If derivative of cos x, then minus sin x. But now x is here xy. Therefore derivative of xy. Derivative of cos x formula इसकी हमने, derivative cos x is minus sin x, but here x is xy. Here x is xy, therefore derivative of cos xy equal to minus sin xy, but here x, तो dy by dx of x in 1 हो जाता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, but here xy, therefore derivative of xy with respect to x multiplication में minus sin xy, derivative of cos xy minus sin xy, but here xy is derivative of xy equal to 0. 2 sin y cos y sin 2y. Multiple sub multiple formula. गुणित सूत्रों उपयोग into dy by dx minus sin xy into bracket now derivative of x into y. Again applying product rule. હવે અહીંયા xy નું x વિશે વિકલન કરવું છે તો ગુણાકારનો નિયમ, આગળ બે વખત વિકલન હતું, 2 times आगे आ गया है, repeat again. First as it is, derivative of second, derivative of means y dy by dx plus now y as it is, derivative of x with respect to x is x equal to 0. Now dy by dx term left hand side correct करते हैं, minus x sin xy minus x sin xy into dy by dx, right hand side without term dy by dx, तो minus sin xy y minus right hand side plus हो जाएगा y sin xy. Now dy by dx equal to न्यूमरेटर रहेगा और ये जब dy by dx मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है वो डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा. અહીંયા હવે dy by dx બરાબર y sin xy ના છેદમાં આ જે ગુણાકારમાં છે એ આખું છેદમાં મૂકી દો, જવાબ means in short left hand side only dy by dx, right hand side without dy by dx term. Example number 8. Sin square x प्लस cos square y equal to 1. Find dy by dx. dy by dx हो तो taking derivative with respect to x both side, બંને બાજુ x વિશે વિકલન લેતા dy dx of sin square x plus dy dx of cos square y equal to right hand side dy dx of 1. First here sin square x, again dy dx of sin x whole square, sin square x. x रेस्टोरेंट रूल से अप्लाई होगा 2 sin x into dy dx of sin x. Why? तो ये x रेस्टोरेंट कर nx रेस्टोरेंट minus 1 n equal to 2, but x equal to here sin x. So 2 sin x raised to 1 into dy dx of x, but here x is sin x, therefore dy dx of sin x. x રેસ્ટોરેન્ટ રૂલ એપ્લાય કિયા n equal to 2, અહીંયા sin x રેસ્ટોરેન્ટ નો સૂત્ર ઉપયોગ કરેલો છે x equal to sin x, x equal to sin x and n equal to 2. So n means 2, x means sin x raised to 1 into dy dx of x, but here x is sin x, therefore dy dx of sin x. Similarly this term 2 cos y. Now cos y with respect to x derivative, the derivative of 2 cos y into dy dx of cos y into dy dx of, if here now x is cos y, n equal to 2 again, but x equal to cos y, so n equal to 2, x equal to cos y raised to 1 into dy dx of cos y into dy dx of x, here x is cos y, so dy dx of cos y, right hand side dy dx of 1 is 0. 2 sin x, derivative of sin x with respect to sin x is cos x, plus 2 cos y, dy dx of cos y, dy dx of cos y minus sin y, but y with respect to x, અહીંયા y વાળું પદ છે અને x વિશે વિકલન કરવાનું છે, તો into dy by dx, into dy by dx equal to 0. Now dy by dx term minus 2 sin y cos y minus sin 2y minus sin 2y, multiple sub multiple formula trigonometry, minus 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta, right hand side minus sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x sin 2x, multiple sub multiple formula, गुणित गुणितना सूत्रो, therefore dy upon dx equal to minus sin cancel sin 2x upon sin 2y. Answer example number 8 का आंसर. Now example 9, 10, 11, 12 inverse trigonometric function. हमने चैप्टर सेकंड देखा था ना, फर्स्ट चैप्टर था रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन, सेकंड चैप्टर था ઇન્વર્સ ટ્રિગ્નોમેટ્રિક ઇન્વર્સ ફંક્શન્સ. પહેલું ચેપ્ટર સંબંધ અને વિધેય હતું, બીજું ચેપ્ટર ત્રિકોણમિતિ પ્રતિવિધેય હતું. તો ત્રિકોણમિતિ પ્રતિવિધેયના સૂત્રોનો ઉપયોગ કરવાનો થશે. હવે એમના વિકલન કરવાના આવ્યા. સેકન્ડ ચેપ્ટર ટ્રિગ્નોમેટ્રિક ઇન્વર્સ ફંક્શન્સ. નાउ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इनवर्स फंक्शंस, देयरफॉर सेकंड चैप्टर के फॉर्मूला का यूज करना पड़ेगा एंड डेरिवेटिव तो करनी है, याद रखना. जरा रिपीट करते रहना. मैं अगेन आपको अपील करता हूँ कि आप घर पे रहते हुए सब टीचर्स, जो सब टीचर्स आपको फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स, बायोलॉजी का वीडियो यूट्यूब माध्यम से अपलोड कर रहे हो, वो आप बराबर पढ़ते होगे, प्रिपरेशन करते होगे. और नहीं करते तो मैं अपील करता हूँ कि प्रिपरेशन करते रहना. ये समय कब खत्म होगा कोई कह नहीं सकता. शायद जून में खत्म हो जाएगा, जून में स्कूल चालू होगी, आशा मत रखना, चालू नहीं होगी. वातावरण में थोड़ा बदलाव आएगा, सब फैक्ट्री, सब दुकानों चालू हो जाएगी, लेकिन स्कूल में स्टूडेंट्स को इकट्ठा करने के लिए सबको साथ में बैठाने का प्रॉब्लम रहेगा, इसलिए स्कूलों तो कब चालू होगी कुछ नहीं, हम कोई बोल कह नहीं सकते, गवर्नमेंट भी नहीं कह सकती कि स्कूलों कब चालू होगी। शायद जून फिनिश हो जाए, जुलाई आ जाएगा, कोई क्या होगा किसी को मालूम नहीं। तो आप हमारे इनडायरेक्ट यूट्यूब माध्यम से यहाँ जो लेक्चर अपलोड करते हैं वो प्रिपरेशन करते रहना। अच्छा है कि आपके पास रेफरेंस बुक भी है, जो टेक्स्ट बुक का एक्सरसाइज, एग्जाम्पल, इलस्ट्रेशन, उदाहरण, दाखला जो भी प्रिपरेशन हो जाती तो वो एक्स्ट्रा एग्जाम्पल के लिए आपके पास रेफरेंस बुक भी है, और सॉल्यूशन भी एक्सरसाइज का है। तो आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहना, घर पे रह के बराबर, थोड़ा टेंशन में नहीं रहना, और आपको ये मालूम हो जाना चाहिए कि हमारी स्कूल इनडायरेक्ट चालू हो गई है। हम फेस टू फेस नहीं मिलते हैं बट ऐसे तो मिलते हैं ना, तो स्कूल हमारी चालू हो गई हम ऐसा मान लेना और प्रिपरेशन करते रहना। कब हम फेस टू फेस मिलेंगे वो तो हम भी नहीं कह सकते, जो ऊपर वाला ने जो सोचा होगा कब मिलाएंगे तब मिलेंगे हम। ओके, थैंक यू।